Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
So we got this old beater Ram here, and we got Mechanic Willie. He's not just an operator. He's also a part-time mechanic. He dabbles in the redneck science field. The gardening gloves. Yeah, we got this truck a while ago. We got it really cheap. She's definitely beat up, but the transmission's gone on the 7.3 right now. So we're trying to see if we can just get it operational so that way Colia has something to friggin' scoot around town in. We're going to do the body work on it and fix it up for the spring, but we weren't expecting to have to do this, so we'll see if we can get it done. Waylon, come here.
Very well. What? Oh, top section. Lights still on.
Gotta probably let her charge for a little bit.
Let's gotta make sure it's negative, yeah.
Hey, just got to the lot here. Let's see what Matt's up to. I think tractors are all started. We got the Ram and the F-250, 350. Let's see what Matt's up to right here.
How's it going, YouTube? We're back. Third night in a row. One in the pink till it stink. Third night in a row. That's the same mechanic.
All right, Matt. So we just added a truck to the fleet here that didn't run a couple weeks ago, but give me the rundown on her. Give me the rundown.
Yeah, well, the big boat there, our 7.3. Anyone out there that likes diesel engines and knows half a shit about half a fuck knows that that diesel is a gorgeous diesel engine, but the transmission, the 4R100, is junk. I should have ZF6 swapped it to begin with. That's what I'm going to do now. But I put another 4R100 in it, blew it 2 weeks later, so that's $6,000 gone. But we also have this little cheap Ram Shorty here that was supposed to be a mow truck, supposed to be a lot of things, and it ended up being just thrown into a fucking snowbank and forgotten about. Today we were told everything. It needs everything. It needs thousands of dollars. Nope, what it needs is a little bit of fucking oil on the alternator, a crank, and then a fucking belt. Once we did that, we let her charge on the booster pack, and boom, there you go. She's back to life. I mean, I ain't gonna act like it's not completely and utterly illegal. But this video will be out after we're done using it, so no DOT catch us. So, really though, I mean, it's a good feeling. We got every piece of equipment pretty well other than the dump truck. Fired up, ready to rock and roll, ready to go ace it third night in a row.
There is a bit of body work that needs to be done to this Ram, though. You mind showing me that?
This side's good. The only thing is the rocker panels need to be done on this side, which I'm going to get done right. But this just needs another layer of Bondo, I'd say. A little bit of Bondo, sander down, paint it. It's a work truck. We're going to beat the fuck out of it. But I mean, for $1,000, I think everyone that watches these videos knows this industry. They know what a work truck is. Let's go see Quinny.
All right.
Fuck, she's nippy out here today.
Got her boy.
Say hi to YouTube.
Oh, all right.
Are you famous?
Oh, am I?
Yeah, I'm gonna. Your new name on YouTube's Gutter Boy. Hey man, if you make one mistake, it's fine. Oh man. So I guess part of the vlog tonight's gonna be seeing if Coley can make it through the night with that truck.
Oh man.
Maybe the truck with no transmission will have to come pick you up in neutral.
Hope not.
It's gonna be a good night. I'm kind of tired. I think everyone's kind of tired.
I had a 3-hour nap. I'm fucking.
Of course you did, princess.
Sweet, man. I was at school all day, but.
No, I spent the whole day making sure we were ready to go. But it'll be what it'll be. We'll go out, clean her up, and then another 10 centimeters on Friday. And then another 10 Sunday.
No.
Yeah, it is what it is. We're getting a lot of content out of it at least.
Alright, so I was clearing the snow off this truck, but Willie thought it was a good idea to take it and start doing donuts. Ooh. Help!
Bro, don't break this truck.
What's that?
So what do you have in your toolbox?
Hmm?
What do you have in your toolbox?
A lot of things. Alright, so the boys just getting ready to roll out here. They're just gonna do the lot really quick. Give you guys a look at this. Got Matt here in his M5. Got Quinlan getting ready in his M6, and so is Willie in the M5 up there. Just doing these things really quick. And this is also a really good test just to make sure our blowers are up to par for the night. See if you have any issues with them. So, good opportunity.
rock and roll, a little warm up.
Gonna go get some fuel at Daly's there.
Yeah, we're gonna run up to the Daly's, all of us get some fuel, and then we'll hit the road, and then Coley is gonna take you on a little adventure of nighttime fixing up a truck. My little boy Rusty. Alright, we'll pick you guys up once we're on the road on the old YouTubes there.
Alright folks, so just about to get into the new but used service rig. Gonna go find the boys. They're off to get fuel at the Daly's. So I gotta go down there, meet them, and then gonna do a bit of body work on this thing while the guys are doing K-Park and what we have marked as Zone 4 on the routes. So I'll pick you guys back up when I get to the fuel station there. Alright, just pulling up to the guys here at the Daly's. They're gonna grab some fuel. I think they're in the process of doing that right now. So we're gonna go get behind them there and see what we can do. Somebody forgot to check their depth, huh?
Yeah. Cameraman Coley is gonna have to go become Deaf Coley. Deaf Leopard, Deaf Coley.
In there, isn't it?
I have, and I got 5 jugs back at the lot. I don't feel like buying some more.
I'll
We have
do
enough
that.
depth at the lot to get us through the season.
Good.
So we'll just have to top him up on some depth fluid, and then
How much does he?
what?
Does it need a lot or no?
Just a jug.
There's a depth gauge on this thing.
No clue.
Got half a tank of depth. Should be alright, but I'm gonna go run to the lot there and get him some after. There we go. 80 bucks later. We got some oil there. Some GM colors, which I don't think is the right color, but here's what it is. It's white oil for this truck. Yeah, we're gonna go back to the lot and we're gonna paint this. All right, so I just got done time-lapsing me sanding down the Bondo that was here. It's not perfect. It's just meant to keep it on the road. Just get a coat of paint on it just so it doesn't look too suspicious. Like Matt said, this video is going to be posted after the storm. So, yeah. It's just to get us through. Looks a lot better than it was. Before, it was very, very, very obvious that it was just all a bunch of Bondo. But now from afar, you can't even tell. Professional paint job, in my opinion. I had to use the torch because snowflakes kept getting into it. But, yeah. So now I'm going to go out to Cortland Place. Start snowing again. Nonetheless, we're going to get it done. So, Cortland Place. Gotta add some oil to this truck, just make sure she's all tip top, and then we're gonna be back out on the road. All right, so we're just gonna get some oil in this thing. She's below the dipstick, so we've got some GTX 5W20. That's what it says to put in. So I know in the winter usually throw something different in it, but again. Just trying to keep this thing on the road. It tells me to put 5W20, so you put 5W20. So yeah, we're just gonna actually gonna see if there's a funnel because I'm gonna spill that. All right, so update on the funnel. I can't find it. Gonna have to hand pour this. She's gonna do Alright, so just got to Cortland Place here. Trackers have already been here. And so I'm just going to go and touch up everything. Some snow around that car there. And so yeah, I'm just going to set you guys up time lapse and you're just going to kind of watch me zip around. Alrighty folks, so I'm just here at Kerwin Business Center. We got Willie pulling up. We're gonna get some footage of him doing this parking lot. Just kind of a change of scenery from, you know, more of a residential standpoint with a lot of our properties. We're lucky enough to do maybe a couple commercials, one or two, which is really nice. So we'll give you guys a good aspect of kind of how versatile these blowers are. They're perfect for residential, but even in a commercial setting, they make wonders. They do very, very well, just as they can blow snow so far, and they're just very quick. And as you can see on this lot, you don't see many snow piles, as if this was done by a plow or maybe a front end loader, you would have a big pile over there or potentially a big pile up here, even here. So this way, the curb appeal of this business is much better than, let's say, some down the road, or even the one next to here that does have piles all over it. It just gives it a better and a cleaner look with the blower, and it's just overall, I would say, better. So I'm just gonna get a few nice clips of him doing this whole process, and really it's very quick. So what we got here is another residential lot that is more or less a commercial size. We do have these small driveways here, probably about 8 of them, I think. And then we've got this open lot. So once again, take a look. You don't see any type of piles there or anywhere else around. Even behind here, there isn't any. But then we take a look to your left, right over here, all you see is big piles all over the place, right there also, right? So this is where, again, these inverted blowers are a huge advantage just to how your property looks, right? You don't have big hills everywhere, you don't have grass all torn up. Again, those nice crisp lines right where you want them and no further. But a plow would usually take up your grass space and fill it with snow, where it is a lot more conservative to use these inverted blowers. The process and the actual method might not look preservative. Big old tractor, it's cool, they do the job just fantastic.
What's up, guys? Another snowstorm done. 4 a.m. So yeah, it's 4 a.m. I'm tired. 4 a.m. we finished up. Once again, beat our time. We're down even shorter. And yeah, so 4 a.m. finished up. Woke the dogs up. But overall, went very, very well. And it's hard to tell, but it's already starting to snow again. So we're going to sleep until about lunch. Get up, get the boys back in, get prepped. This time we're going to be doing 2 passes because it's a bigger snowfall. So I'll pick you guys up in the next one. Appreciate you guys watching.